Hi there, I'm Dr. Paul Austin. I'm an orthodontist in Southern California, and I recently learned about a great new project I wanted to talk to you about. It's called Tasty Clean. It really resonated with me right away when I learned about it because it's an all-natural product. Being in California, being with patients that are very particular about what they put in their mouth and products that they use, I knew that this was going to be a popular product for them to use on their appliances. So one of the things we do in our office is a lot of clear aligners, night guards, retainers, and it's really simple to use. And basically all you do is shake it up and spray it in. So what I tell my patients is you have your night guard at night, you take it out, you rinse it off, you spray the Tasty Clean in it, put it back in your case, turn it upside down, let it sanitize the case, and the next morning you rinse it off, put it in your mouth, and it's good to go. It works for retainers, it works for night guards, it works for pacifiers if you have a baby, it works for aligners, just about anything that you would think to put in your mouth, it works great. And it's simple to use, it's inexpensive, and you just can't beat it. None of the other foams or other products out there can even touch it in terms of its quality. I started using this product about a year ago when I first learned about it, and I did so before I ever gave it to my patients to see how it worked, and it worked fantastic. There is no calcium or protein buildup on any of my appliances that I wear at night, and when I wake up in the morning, I just rinse them off. I shake this up, spray it in, leave it, I rinse it off, I put it in my mouth, and that's it. And it's really simple, and it's great knowing that the product is clean and I don't have to worry about bacteria or anything growing on it when I go to put it in the next day.